Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to go over the 4 pages we have in our math pack. So, I'm going to read them aloud and work through the pages. This is a word problem. Jennifer and Mike are each reading a Magic Treehouse book that has 324 pages. Jennifer has read 146 pages, and Mike has read 271 pages. How many more pages has Mike read than Jennifer? So I'm looking at the words, how many more, to set up my problem. I'm going to start by filling in my information that I know to see if it's an addition or subtraction problem. I have a Magic Treehouse book with 324. Jennifer has read 146, and Mike has read 271. How many more has Mike read than Jennifer? Well, this information, though it's tempting to put it in my whole or in one of my parts, isn't really information that I need. This is the total number of books in the treehouse. That's not what this question is asking. It's asking a comparison between Mike and Jennifer. So really, excuse me, Mike is my whole number. I'm going to set that in as my whole number. I might want to write his name next to it so I remember. And then Jennifer is my part, 146. And we're going to want to know how many more, this is the more, Mike has done than Jennifer. So this is my unknown amount. That makes this a subtraction problem. It would mean that 271 minus 146 equals my unknown. Okay, once again, this information isn't needed. It's just set in there to confuse you. Once I figured this out, I can decide on the method I want to use for subtraction. I'm going to go with the place value chart to start. Draw my place value chart, and I'm going to put my whole number in my place value chart, being nice and neat and tidy. 200s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1 1. Excuse me. And then I'm going to start removing my part. I'm going to start with my lowest number, which is a 6. I'm going to look, do I have enough ones to remove 6? I do not, so I'm going to neatly cross this one out and draw my 10 ones. Cross it, move it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now do I have enough ones to remove 6? I do. Do I have enough tens to remove 4? I do. And I should have enough hundreds to remove 100. So now I'm going to go start removing them. We start with my 6, crossing them off neatly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then my tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my hundreds. And counting up what I have left, I have 5 ones, 2 tens, 100. That's using the place value method to solve my problem. We'll use other methods on other problems. Here I have solved the following. I'm going to look first, paying attention to the symbols in my number sentence. Here it says plus. So I'm going to I'm actually going to first decompose these numbers and then add them together. So 124 would be 124, and 260 would be 260. I have stretched those out. And then I'm going to add each place value together. 4 plus nothing is 4. 20 plus 60 is 80. And 100 plus 200 is 300. Adding those all together, 384. Next I'm going to look here, and this is also an addition problem. I have 400. I have kids coming in. Please apologize for the noise. 400 plus 20 plus 6 And then I have 300 plus 20 plus 4. Here's your bracket, Phoebe. I'm going to do the same thing where I'm adding them. And I've just realized I'm doing the same strategy as I was doing before, so I'll do it a second way over here. 6 plus 4 is 10. 20 plus 20 is 40. And 400 plus 300 is 700. Adding those together, I have 740. But I need to notice that this is a full 10. It's not a 1 anymore. So I'm going to need to add these two together, which would be 50, making this 750. Using another method, I'll use the arrow method over to the right. I'm going to start with my larger number, which is 426. And I'm going to break this number, 324, into easily added chunks. So I'm going to start with my 300. Pull my 300 out, plus 300, 400, 500, 600, 726. Now I need to look at my 24 and see if there's anything easy to pull out there. And my 20 is. So I'm going to add my 20. 746. And then my last number to chunk out is that 4, making it 750. It's a really good way to check your math to make sure that both have the same answer. Oh, you know what I forgot up here? I forgot to put my answer in a sentence. I'm sure some of you caught me doing that. So this answer at 125 would be Mike has read 125 more pages than Jennifer. Good job if you caught me doing that. I could also check this by adding my answer and my part together, because this is a part, and seeing if I got 271. So if you want to check your answers that way, that would be an excellent way to check your answers. Okay. Now I have 318 plus 59. I can choose any of those ways. Give me one moment. Okay. And I have now, again, checking my math symbol, I have a plus. So this time I'm going to use partial sums to solve 318 plus 59. I'm going to stack it vertically, making sure to keep my place values in order. 8 ones plus 9 ones, well, if I double 8 and 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. I like to do the kill it and vary it method. Students in my class will be familiar with that. Then I have 10 plus 50 would be 60. And 300 plus nothing would be 300. Taking all those amounts and adding them up, 7 ones, 7 tens, 300s, netting me 377. Finally, I have 382 plus 146. Again, making sure that that is an addition symbol. And I'm going to use my arrow method because it's one of my favorites. I'm going to start at my larger number, 382. And I'm going to decompose my 146 into 146. 382 plus 100 is 482. Then I have my 46. I'm going to add 40 because I can. You might want to change this into 20 and 26 if it's harder, but I can add my 4 tens to my 8 tens. So I'm going to add 40, giving me just 6 more to work with. So 8 plus 4 is 12, so 8 tens plus 4 tens is 12 tens, making 102 tens. That would be 522. Checking my math just to make sure. 4 or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Moving my 1 over. Yep, I'm correct. And then I'm going to add my 6, which is what I have left over. 522 plus 6 is 528. And that's my math from lesson 12. Thank you for watching.